Well, hey guys, I am grooming the dogs today, and this is something right now that I do once a week. I clean their faces with a warm cloth because Maltipoos, they get the dark streaks on their face. So I have done that, and I didn't do that on camera because he can be a pill. So now what I'm going to do to start the grooming process is just start trimming the hair around his eyes and under his chin. That's all I'm doing right now. Let me turn around. Okay, turn around. Be still. Okay, be still. You're a good boy. You are a good boy. You're a very good boy. Just cut some of this off. Okay, let's get some of this. Be still. Let me see. What a good boy you are. What a good boy you are. Okay, I am not going to show you Chloe as I do her face because she is going to cry the whole time. That's just what she does. And I'll catch you guys later in the bathroom when I start washing them. Okay? See you then. I was going to show you one more thing. Quinn has eye allergies, so I give him this medicine. I try to remember to do it once a day. It's called terramycin. Terramycin. And he is so good to let me put it in his eye. Here you go, bud. Start right here. From day one, he has been this good to let me put it in his eye. I have to tell you, Quinn just likes for Gran to be touching him. Yes, he does. Okay, see you in the bathroom. Okay, Quinn is here. Chloe would not even let me clean her face. I have these wipes for dogs to give them a bath since I don't have a tub. I have never used them, so my thumb goes there. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can see right here. Quinn has the starting of a hot spot. He does that occasionally. He will lick himself raw. I have some spray that I keep spraying on it so he'll leave it alone. But I have to watch him. And his is a habit. I mean, they're pretty clean. They don't exactly do much. They get food under their chin. Now, I should brush them every day, but I don't. They actually have never liked to be brushed. They actually cry when I brush them. I have wimpy dogs. I do. That's getting a little dirty. And try to clean their feet. Now, I probably won't even touch Chloe. She has become a screamer. She has a piercing scream. You would think I'm killing her. When I put a dog diaper on her, she cries the entire time. Just like it's the worst thing in the world. But Quinn's okay. He's okay as long as if I'm touching him. I know y'all know that they are 13. And all they do is lay around. Now I had the groomer to cut them really short last time, so their hair's not too long right now. Now when he dries, he will fluff up again. Now I do have to clean his butt. I really don't think y'all want to be around for that, so yeah, I got some dirt off. I've never used these before. I guess you could turn it around, use the other side on the other hand. Yeah, I think I'm going to wash his butt now. And I have to trim hair around his butt. Poor Chloe, she's not going to be touched till I can afford to have them groomed again. I'm just not dealing with that. I see the start of another hot spot. He is something else. But he loves Gran. And he's a little weird. He has anxiety. About once every 2 months, he kind of goes berserk. He'll start trying to find a hole to crawl in. If you've ever had anxiety, you know, you just kind of want to run through the woods or something. I've had it before. It's not a good feeling. So I just try to keep him calm. You know, distract him. Pay attention to him. Because that's mainly the reason he goes berserk. Is because I'm not paying attention to him. He is needy. There is not many people in my family who like him. Ashley likes him. She's about the only one. Everybody else calls him weird. Now I have to tell you about Chloe. She is a sweet dog. She is really, really sweet. But she does not want to be messed with. I have to give her pain medicine every morning. It just goes in with a dropper. And she makes such a big deal about that. I just finally get it between her teeth and get it into her mouth. But other than that, and barking at everything that moves, Chloe is just a really, really sweetheart. Okay. Okay, Quinn has a clean butt. And I trimmed all the hair around his back end so he wouldn't get anything caught in hair. I was going to tell you something about him. Oh, I was going to show you how he acts when I try to hug him. Now watch him. He's a good dog. Him is a good dog. He's a good dog. Oh, he usually pulls away from me. He's a good dog. Yes, he is. He won't let you hug him. I guess he's doing that now because I've been messing with him all morning. But he will not let you hug him. He did that from the time he was a puppy. Now, I can hug Chloe as long as I don't accidentally hurt her. But they're a mess, and I love them, and they're mine. And this wash job, I hope, is going to last 4 or 5 more weeks. Okay, guys. Love's coming your way. You feel better? You look better? Quinn. Quinn. There she is. She will not let me touch her. Do you feel better, Quinn? You look better. Your face looks so pretty. Yes, it does. Chloe, your face is ugly. Yeah, it's ugly. You have a dirty face. Okay, guys, I'm really letting you go this time.